Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about the July 2019 Curlbox. So to keep this video short, I'm just going to go through the products that are in this box. I will not be doing a demo of the products because I literally just received this box and I have breaks. So I can't really demo the products for y'all. Also, this video is getting out late. I just received my box. Today is Thursday. Thursday the 18th. I received my box on the 15th. So, you know, they've already released all the products. So if you need more information, you can just check out the Curlbox website. And they will have all the details and information on the products that were released in this box. Now, I'm kind of sad that I've been receiving these boxes a little bit late. So I can't just tell y'all what's in it before it pops up, so you can kind of have a heads up. But you know what, I still do these videos anyway, even though I am considering canceling my subscription because I have too many products. But anyway, we're gonna get into it. So the theme of this box this month is greatness, and this is the little card that they put in there with the box. And as I mentioned, this is for 2019 July Curlbox. So it says this month we're delivering a full regimen with all new products from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. I'm sorry if it didn't focus. The inside of this card reads, each formula features grapeseed oil, which is rich in strengthening vitamin E and touts the ability to prevent hair loss, reduce dandruff, and restore damaged strands. Walk into greatness with these tips. So now to get into the products, it says try a power wash. So are you clarifying at least once a month? You should be. Your power wash clarifying shampoo not only removes buildup, it helps enhance your curl pattern. It cleanses strands with apple cider vinegar, healing aloe, and coconut milk. So that shampoo, I have all these products in my lap. So this is the Power Wash Intense Moisturizing Clarifying Shampoo. I will put a picture of this, like a close-up picture of this, on the side of this video. So it says it thoroughly removes impurities and buildup while adding essential moisture. Like the thing said, it's enriched with apple cider vinegar. Ultra-hydrating recipe with grapeseed, apple cider vinegar, aloe, deep clean while penetrating coconut milk, jojoba oil, replenish, moisturize, soften hair. It is sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no silicones. So that is that product. So after using this shampoo, it says to restore balance after washing, use your Rescue Recovery Conditioner. It's a deep treatment created specifically for chronically dry, damaged hair in need of repair. A restorative blend of oils including Tamanu oil work to strengthen the hair shaft and gradually bring elasticity back to curls. So this is the Rescued, and that's the name of it. It won't show up, but it's in one of these giant containers that you can just dip your hand in. So this is also sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no silicones, and I think all the products have that on there as well. So it's Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. And this one actually has grapeseed oil, wheat protein, shea butter, avocado, Tamanu oils, and it's a deep treatment. But one thing I want y'all to know about all of these, every last one of these products, one thing that I hate about some of these brands, it smells really good, is that they love to put glycerin and stuff. Like, people like to have products that elongate, stretch, do all this stuff, lengthen your curls, but they have the audacity to put glycerin as the second ingredient. Me personally, my hair doesn't really like glycerin. When it comes to me stretching my hair, glycerin, I can just walk outside and if there's a tiny bit of humidity, it sucks it in. I mean, that is what glycerin is supposed to do. It's supposed to absorb, like pull moisture into the shaft. But when I'm trying to elongate and stretch and, you know, lengthen my curls, I want my hair to be moisturized, but I don't want excess moisture just pulling into my hair, shrinking it back after I did all that work to stretch it out. So that is one thing I do not like to be in certain products. That'll kind of make or break whether I use something or not, or when I choose to, you know, lengthen my hair, I'm not going to choose those products. So moving on, that is the conditioner. And so now we're going to go into Define Like a Pro. It says Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. This is Ice Curls Glossy Curly Jelly. It is enriched with almond oil and marshmallow root. So it says it takes the fuss out of having to combine multiple products to get the perfect finger style. It acts as a style prep by smoothing curls like a detangler, also while defining and setting strands with elongating marshmallow root. So yeah, this is one of the products where when you look at the ingredients, glycerin is the second ingredient. I honestly don't understand. I mean, I haven't tried it, so I don't know what it's gonna do and if it will elongate my curls or you know what it claims, but glycerin is the second ingredient and it says it is supposed to define and give you elongation. Like, we're gonna see. Whenever I get the chance, I might make a video on this because I want to know. I want to know. So if you're looking for lightweight definition, grab your Frizz Patrol setting mousse. It is formulated to be anti-poof, which means it penetrates the hair shaft and smooths curls to perfection. So this is the mousse. It is Frizz Patrol. It literally is a mousse. It comes with the, you know, the little mousse pump container. It smells just like all the other products. And as far as ingredients, I can say glycerin is in the middle of the ingredient list, so I'm less weary about this product because I mean, I don't think it'll, you know, soak up too much moisture, but it'll moisturize my hair, you know what I mean? So so this is a hydrating elixir to set curls, waves, coils, and textured hairstyles in place. Enriched with jojoba and tamanu oils. I might be saying that wrong, but this also says it's supposed to improve strength and elasticity. So that is that. Now moving on to get a healthy shine. Finish your look with Shine Boss Refreshing Sheen Mist, an antioxidant rich sheen spray that deposits vitamin E right into your strands. Use it just after drying your curls or whenever you need extra sparkle. So I'm guessing this is sort of like a, I mean, it's a sheen mist, but I wonder if it has any type of heat protectant in it, which it doesn't say, so I'm not gonna assume it does. But it's in your typical spray bottle, same logo as everything else. I will put the picture up on the side. It softens and gives hair a beautiful reflective sheen, enriched with vitamin E and castor oil. So yeah, and it says it has a juicy scent, but all the products in here smell pretty, pretty fruity and juicy. This is like a concentrated scent. This is more concentrated in here than the rest of them, but it smells just like the rest of the other products. So yeah, it's just oil. So, and this is also sulfate-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, no petroleum, no silicone. So yeah, that's a shine mist. I actually think I want to spray this on my hair because I love the smell. It smells so good, y'all. So yeah. So I've gone through all the products inside of this July Curlbox. I don't know what more to say about it. If you have any questions about the Curlbox, or you know how to get on the list, or just things such as that, please list them in the comment section below. I will put all the details for every product that is in this box in the description. In the description box below. Anyways, if you want more information on what I give you, you can always check out the Curlbox website and also their Instagram page, and I'm pretty sure they have other pages too. But I'm pretty sure they have posted all the products and the information of the products on their social media pages as well as their website. So like I said, if you want more information, go check out their actual website. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you all in my next. See ya.